Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have a beautiful blush duo to try out. This is from the brand Complex Culture and it's the Good Glow Blush Duo that I have in the shades Blissed Out and Flustered. And this is a product that I was actually able to redeem ipsy points to get this month. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and it retails for about $30, although I was just looking this up on the Complex Culture website and it is half off right now. So maybe that's a deal to jump on. But so here is what the packaging looks like. Very nice. Ooh, a nice big mirror. Oh, and it has a little informational diagram here. So subtle glow on this side, total glow on the other. I love that it gives instructions and helpful tips. Like it literally shows exactly where you should apply it, how to apply it. For the subtle glow, apply one shade or a touch of both onto apples of the cheeks for a flush of glowy color. Total glow, sweep the deeper shade onto apples of the cheeks. Blend in the lighter shade of blush up cheekbones towards the temple. Ooh, that sounds like a cool technique. And then here are what the shades look like. I think I'm going to start out with some swatches. Ooh, they look pretty pigmented. I feel like when a blush is very pigmented, that actually makes it harder for me because I like to apply too much blush and oh my gosh. Yeah, these are very pigmented. I'm going to have to really try and be careful and not apply too much because oh my gosh, these are practically like eyeshadow level pigmented swatches, but very pretty, and I like that they actually are different. When a blush is very pigmented, I try and choose a more loose brush to apply it with, and I've been really loving this LA Colors large blush brush. Hopefully the spray tan on my neck versus the color of my face right now isn't throwing you off as much as it's throwing me off. But let's see if maybe adding some blush to my face helps me give more color and look a little bit more normal. It's cracking me up because I'm also wearing so much makeup on my neck right now to try and tone down the spray tan. But gosh, my neck ended up so dark. But okay, let's start out with just a little bit of the lighter shade. Lots of kickback there. And I think these are matte, but they actually do almost look a little bit shiny glowy. So just going in with a little bit of the lighter pink shade. Let's see how it does. A little tough to blend, like where I first applied it is kind of where it's stuck. I think I'm safe to go in with a little more. Just a little. Yeah, I would say it's looking matte on the skin. The fact that this is called Good Glow, I was kind of expecting at least one of these to have like some shine to it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little more. It doesn't seem like it's too easy to go overboard with the lighter shade here. I like it. It's a nice like bubblegum pink on the cheek. Not my most flattering shade because I feel like it doesn't kind of warm up my skin that much. It's pretty, like a flush of color, but I'm not wowed by it. Clean brush. Let's go ahead and see how the other shade looks. This shade looks more like the type of blush shade that I prefer. But yeah, you could see like it is kind of hard to blend. Where you apply it, it really sticks. Yeah, oh, it's kind of fun to see the difference in the more bubblegum pink versus the more rosy shade and see what it really does for the skin tone. And yeah, like this one, it gives more of like a sun-kissed look. It really does help to like, I feel like, give more life, more brightness to my face versus this one, I just feel like washes me out a little bit. Yeah, and where I applied 3 layers of the lighter shade, I applied 2 of the darker shade, and I feel like they kind of match. But yeah, definitely very matte on the skin, not really giving shine glow, but gives that nice flush of color. It's just kind of like a classic powder blush. I was hoping for more of like a topper to give that sheen, glow to the skin, but they're both matte. I mean, you can barely tell a difference between both sides of my face. I only like know because I'm looking at it and I'm looking for it. But if you didn't know that I was wearing 2 different shades of blush, you can't really tell. Maybe for the fun of it, I'll add the other shade on top of the other one. So now I'm going to pick up the lighter shade and let's see how it looks on top of the darker one. Oh wow, yeah, like it did give more of that like bubblegum pink look, which it's fine, but I just don't love it. Let's see when I apply the darker, more rosy shade on top of the bubblegum pink, if that makes me like this more. Now they look pretty the same, right? And I'm starting to go a little overboard. My cheeks are looking a little too flushed now. And I feel like this can last me forever. These are huge pans. And the texture is nice on the skin. It's matte, but you can't see any powderiness. So it sits right into the skin very nicely. So all in all, I like it, but I'm not like, oh my gosh, this is the best blush ever. But if you have tried this out, or maybe you've tried it in any of the other colorways that it comes in, because I think it comes in 3 different versions, let me know in the comments down below how it worked out for you. Let me know what you think of it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.